Hi, this is Dr. Jenny, and we are continuing our videos in analyzing problem 6.3 in predicting airfare for a problem 6.3. We just finished part 5 where the textbook had given us the characteristics, and we used our regression formula, and now we're going to predict that the reduction or the amount of the fare if Southwest decides to cover this route. So let's go in and look at what we did before so that we can see. Here we have the coefficients here for the regression model, and this is basically the difference in the formula should be around $40.59, and here's what I want to show you here. When we did this model for number 5, this basically, it would tell us, like for example, vacation is no. So that means if we had a vacation that was no, then in our population we would put 0. If it said, if there was a yes here, let's see, Southwest is no. I'm trying to find another yes. Here we can see that we have our slot free, gate free, and so on. You can see it down here. And what you have to do, if we go back here, so let me explain something a little bit. I'm going to go back to the answer index here, and we're going to look at our data after the dummy variables were created. When we created the dummy variables, remember that we removed a column. So if it depends on what you removed as to how you're going to interpret your data when you get to this. Like here you can see that here's your vacation no, vacation yes, and with dummy variables we only need one, because if it's not one, of course it's the other. So if I go back now to my where we've calculated this, let me go down here and go to this, you can see that here's my variable. So I deleted the vacation no one. Well, if you deleted the vacation yes one and yours says vacation no, you're going to have to make sure that you align your sample to agree with what they're giving you here. But you can see right here that the difference in the fare should be $40.59 or so. So that'll, again, my answer is 2 cents off from the solution. It has $40.61 in their solution. I really don't know if it has something to do with the how the length of things I carried out or what, but anyway, that if you get it this close, I'm good with that. And so what we did in part 6 is it said decides to cover the route. So if they decide to cover the route, now we're putting a 1 here. Over here you see we have a 0 because in our thing we were saying Southwest no, so I didn't want to use this variable in there. Over here we have a 1 because we're saying yes, that's what we want to test here. And you'll see here that my variable is basically the difference between this $40.59 from the one we predicted in part 5. So hopefully this will help you understand that part. And let me go back to our answer index here, and let's see what we have left in this problem. Basically it has some just general kinds of questions about what are the factors that would be available in predicting average fare for a new airport, what ones can be estimated, and so essentially it's looking at, are these good variables, are there other things that we should be using, and I think you can answer that question. So I think this will get you through problem 6.3, and I hope this helps. I've kind of rattled on a few times, but essentially my purpose is to make this easier for you. So thanks for listening.